Hi, I'm Asha Care. Welcome to my grandparents' basement. This is plumbing, Super Mario style. Recently my grandparents went away and there was a leak in one of the pipes in the basement, so out of the many hats that I already wear, I'm going to add novice plumber to the pile, and I figured I would bring you guys along with me. This is just to show everybody what I'm working with. Okay, I'm hoping you guys can see me and it's a little more in focus this time. This is where the leak is. We have not tried to fix it once, not twice. Thrice was when my uncle came in and he did the exact same thing I did. This will be the fourth and final time, and what I'm going to do is just cut above the pipe here. Then take the pieces that I got at Lowe's, Home Depot, one of those guys, whichever big chain store we have. And essentially after I cut this out, after I cut this one out, I'm going to measure it, shove this one back in, and then pop this one back on, and hopefully it'll do the trick. But first I got to get this out so I can make sure that this is measured right. So, now the fun begins. Okay, well that didn't work out. Apparently the water wasn't drained because that was already shut off. Well, at least you guys got to see that, so I think we're good now. Now I know why the sink wasn't working earlier. Okay, cool. And I did not get wet except for my hands. Isn't that nice? Okay, in the words of Daffy Duck, let's try that again. Hi. Hard work. Oh, buddy. It's the angle. It was a funny angle. What do you mean it was a funny angle? It was right behind you, Tyrone. Cool, that was kind of successful. Now I gotta work on the other side. Whew. Okay, switch sides again. But I'll tell you what, I'm going to take a breather soon. Holy crap. As you can tell, I'm not a professional by any stretch because, yes, I like to use the hand tools, not power tools. Not to mention, I don't know where the other saw is, so I'm okay with this. It's a good workout. Okay, break time. Whew, whew. Okay, back to work. Had to take a quick breather there. But yes, I've worked with PVC pipe before, but that's what I built my light stands out of. And I actually kind of did my own thing and made it a lot smaller because it works a lot better than the video I watched, which, if I remember, I will put a link to it at the bottom of this video. But yeah, this was not what I intended to be my first video, but it looks like it's going to be, so that's okay. And for as much as I modeled this after Super Mario, I kind of feel more like it's a Looney Tunes episode, especially that water thing that happened. Oh boy! Yeah. Cool. Thank you. Again, it's like a Looney Tunes episode. How about I just, like, leave you here? Kitties don't like water. Yeah, a little wet. A little wet. A little cold. Gonna let this drain out and, you know, take a break, probably move upstairs, dry off a little bit, and then I'll be back with you to make the replacement part.